Hello friends, so today we are going to start a new chapter, that is quadratic equation. Before going to start this chapter, let us discuss something about polynomial equation. What is polynomial equation? An equation in the form of fx equal to an x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a1x plus a naught is called a polynomial equation, where an minus 1, a1, a naught all are coefficient. Also, important thing is that here n is called leading coefficient. What it is called? Leading coefficient. And this is a polynomial of degree n. As you can say, highest power of x is n, and it is true only and if only n is not equal to 0, then it is a polynomial of degree n. Now we can say fx is equal to x plus b. We can write down this, or we can write down fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is called linear polynomial. And this is called quadratic polynomial or function. Similarly, if any polynomial of degree 3 and 4 is called degrees 3, then it is called cubic. You can say fx equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. And when degree is 4, then it is called by quadratic. Okay, now this equation fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, it is the general expression. This is actually quadratic polynomial or function, but this is not quadratic equation. And any polynomial function is called an polynomial equation when that function fx is equal to 0. Like for this fx equal to this equation is given, it will be called an equation if and only if the value of fx is equal to 0. Similarly, for this quadratic polynomial, this will be called as an quadratic equation if and only if fx is equal to 0. That means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. This is also known as general expression of quadratic equation. Now for this equation, if we consider there are two roots, that is alpha and beta. By the way, what is roots? What is known as roots? What is roots? So roots can be defined as, you can say, roots is solution of x. Yes, this is true. Also you can say root are those values for which if we put in the function, the answer will come 0. Very simple. Roots means you can say solution of x, or you can say those values which if we put in the function, the answer will come 0. That means if fx equal to 0, right? If we put alpha in this equation, then the value will come 0. Similarly, if we put beta in this equation, then the value will come as 0. Now, from Sridhar Acharya's rule, you know that the value of alpha and beta is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Very important, remember this. So if we take sum of these two roots, the value of alpha can be minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, or minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Whatever you want, you can take. So if we take summation of these two roots, like alpha plus beta addition, then we will get value minus b by a. You can do yourself, very easy. Also, this is known as sum of roots, and if we take products of alpha and beta, then we will get c by a. This is called product of roots, right? So you have got sum of roots and products of roots. Also, difference of roots, that is alpha minus beta, is equal to root over d by a. You may wonder from where d is coming. Actually, d is nothing but discriminant. I think you have read in class 10 discriminant, and the value of d is given by d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now some important points. D can be categorized as 3. When d is greater than equal to 0, when d is greater than 0, then what you will get? Roots will be real and distinct. But when d is equal to 0, roots will be equal. When d is less than 0, roots will be imaginary. Take some example. Suppose it is given that if example 1, if x square minus 2x 1 plus 3m plus 7 into 3 plus 2m equal to 0, this equation have equal roots, then find m. So equal roots means, what is the formula? D is equal to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here b is equal to, what is the value of b? 2 into 1 plus 3m minus, and a is equal to 1, c is equal to 7 into 3 plus 2m, sorry, there m, right? So from this formula, if you put, you will get the value of m equal to minus 10 by 9 or equal to 2. So you can get in this way. Take another example. If it is given that prove that roots of the equation are real, right? Real means you can get real when d is greater than equal to 0. Roots of the equation is given x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square minus c square equal to 0. Roots are real, that means we have to put b square, we have to prove that b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0. Here b is equal to minus 2a, c is equal to a square minus b square minus c square, a is equal to 1. So b square, d equal to, what is the value of d? 4a square, b square 4a square minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to a square minus b square minus c square. 4a square minus 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square. So we are getting 4b square plus 4c square. So this will be always positive, so we can prove that roots of this equation are real. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.